evening everyone. Today I will be giving you a short demonstration on how to work with electrospinning or electrospraying equipment. So here you are aware of the working principle. We usually have a polymeric solution which on application of high voltage to it, it will be getting into a fine droplets. I will be sharing the few points of this part in my theoretical lecture. So here I will be showing you the practical demonstration. So this is my polymeric solution which I will be demonstrating with in this equipment and showing how this polymeric equation, this solution gets converted into fine droplets of powder and the final product will be my powder form. So let's start with it. The first thing is we need to on this from the main power supply, and then from here we need to press this. Yes. So we are getting a power indicator. Okay. From the control panel we need to set from here, that is home. So from here, and I will be demonstrating about, there are two ways, single infusion and coaxial. I will be talking about the single infusion alone. So we need to click on this. Now this cable light is for along this, yes. Now here what we will do, there is a right arrow here. We need to press this. Here we have to set our parameters. So you are aware of that there are 4 factors on which the powder which you will be getting, it is dependent on. Mainly your flow rate, then what is the distance between, I will just open this and explain you this. So you will be having this, there will be a distance between the syringe as well as the plate. So this is what is the plate, we will be keeping it, this is the collector plate where we will be getting the product, and this syringe will be we have to fill this with the polymeric solution which I have shown, and that needs to be sprayed, right? Along with that we are this is the distance between the needle and the plate. I will be showing you just in a moment. Along with that we will be taking the flow rate of the sample and what is the voltage we are keeping. So these parameters will decide how fine or what will be your final product quality with the setting of your this parameters. So first what I will do is this is a 10 ml syringe. You can use either of, it can be a 2 ml, it can be a 5 ml. So here what we have to do, accordingly there is a syringe mount size. It can be 2, 5, 10. I am using a 10 ml syringe. So I will be taking the sample. So yes, the sample is ready to, yes, this will be my sample in this manner. And this sample, and I am using a gauge size of syringe that is 22. So I will be, yes, this is how my sample will be mounted on the equipment. I will show. So here we need to adjust. We need to adjust with the this is the 10 ml as we have to set. Here the flow rate will be we can set as per our requirement. For my sample I am putting it as 0.25 and I will show you the demo here. Then we need to move the syringe pusher up. Once we are putting it up, then we have to set like this, okay? Then we have to put the syringe pusher down. Will be the collector plate which we will be placing here.
Slightly more below.
This series pusher up and pusher down, we will be adjusting this particular needle and the syringe, and we need to measure the distance of this particular so for my sample I'll usually keep around 9 to 10, so I'll just check from the tip. We need to see, okay, for the plate, okay, so it's around approximately, it is 9, yeah, it is 9 here. With this knob we need to adjust the height of the tip of the syringe to that of the collector plate. Okay, now we will be, this is the clamp which will be supplying the voltage to the syringe, and that is how it will be, yeah, this will get sprayed, the solution will be sprayed here. Now what we'll do is, we'll be coming back to the control panel here, and then we need to adjust the voltage. That is, the voltage approximately we can set for 20 kV. Yeah, so it's set at exact 20 kV. Then we will be starting for the infusion start on. Here it will be giving a green signal, that is process running. That means it will be starting to spray. It will start to spray, and in within half an hour or so you will be seeing a white colored powder formation, and it will continue till you want your sample to run. Okay, so this is the setup for how the particular infusion starts working. This infusion will take place. The next will be the next step, and we need to focus on this when this liquid droplets are getting sprayed and it is collected on the collector plate. Okay, till then we can just wait and see. So if you on the soft light, you can now when we have to, like, once our process is done, how should we switch it off? This goes again the same. We'll go here, we'll just off this soft light, we'll come back to now one thing we have to do here is we need to decrease the voltage to 0, and then only we should off that. Otherwise sometimes there comes this emergency alarm may ring, and even the equipment may sometimes it may be it may not work also. So in order to be on the safe zone, we can lower down the voltage to 0. Okay, we'll go here, we'll off this infusion start which has been initially, we will stop this. So here this particular thing will disappear. We'll go back, we'll off the voltage. Okay, so here it gives the signal, it's off. Then we'll come here. Okay, so we can, with this we'll just see whether there is any charge or any. Okay, so after this we'll try to take this out and clamp it on this. Then we'll go back to the same procedure where we need to little bit take the syringe pusher up. Okay, so once we are taking it up, so this will be and we'll discharge it back. So this is the process what we exactly will go with. Since I have run the sample only for just around 15 minutes or so. So we are getting this deposition here. I have run this experiment even before, where we will be getting a powder like this. Okay, this is the one. This type of powder we will get, okay, from this polymeric solution which I have taken. So if you take this is the polymeric solution, and the final product will come like this in the powder form using the electrospraying technique. Okay, thank you.